Okay, let's jump right in. We're going to talk about something that's becoming absolutely essential: how to truly communicate with AI. This isn't just about typing in a question. No, this is about mastering the conversation, using English like a precision tool to get exactly what you need from powerful AI like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini.
You know the feeling, right? Your AI is incredibly powerful, but are your instructions? We've all been there. You ask for something, and what you get back is, well, it's fine, it's okay, but it's not amazing. It's kind of generic. And 9 times out of 10, the problem isn't the AI. It's how we're asking.
So what's the fix? Well, it's a skill called prompt engineering. And look, don't let the name intimidate you. This isn't some super technical, code-heavy thing. It's really the art and science of talking to AI with purpose. It's about crafting your words to guide the AI exactly where you want it to go.
This right here, this is the big idea that changes everything. AI doesn't just answer your question, it answers the way you ask your question. Think about that. The quality of what you put in directly, and I mean directly, controls the quality of what you get out. You give it clarity, you give it structure, it gives you brilliance.
All right, so how do we build that skill? It all starts with a core toolkit. In the first few modules, we're going to build a really strong foundation.
First up, we've got to start with the fundamentals. I mean, what even is prompt engineering? Module 1 is all about getting on the same page, understanding why the quality of your language is so critical no matter what field you're in, coding, marketing, you name it.
Okay, so once we've got that foundation locked in, it's time to sharpen our tools. And by tools, I mean grammar. This module is where we turn those fuzzy, vague requests into razor-sharp instructions that an AI just can't get wrong.
We're talking about using the active voice to be super clear, using words like must, should, or can to tell the AI exactly how important something is, and we'll get into sentence types to really command the AI's logic. The whole point here? Getting rid of any confusion so you get predictable, top-notch results every single time.
So, we've got the grammar down. Now let's zoom in on the words themselves. Choosing the right verb, finding that perfect adjective. It's amazing how much this controls the AI's tone and style. This is how you unlock its creativity and get those really nuanced answers you're looking for. All right, foundation's built. Now it's time to level up. We're moving on to designing powerful instructions. Seriously, we're going from just writing sentences to becoming architects of entire AI workflows.
Module 4 is honestly, it's a total game changer. You're going to learn how to structure your prompts like a project manager. You'll give the AI a role, you are an expert copywriter, a clear goal, and then boom, a step-by-step plan to follow. This is how you transform the AI from a simple Q&A tool into a powerhouse assistant.
And just look at the night and day difference this makes. The vague prompt, tell me about this course. I mean, who knows what you'll get? It's a total gamble. But the structured prompt, you are an expert marketer, your task is to write, suddenly you get something persuasive, focused, and 1,000,000 times more useful. It's not even close.
So you've mastered the structure. What's next? You master the voice. Module 5 is all about dialing in the perfect tone, style, and register. You'll learn how to make the AI sound like anyone, for any audience, a formal CEO, a casual blogger, you name it.
And the range here is just wow. You can command it to be formal for a business report, casual for a tweet, persuasive for a sales pitch, super technical, journalistic, scientific, whatever you need. The AI will completely adapt its voice and vocabulary to match. It's like having a team of expert writers at your fingertips.
But look, being a great prompter isn't just about crafting perfect one-off instructions. It's also about being efficient, right? Why start from scratch every single time? This module is all about giving you proven, reusable blueprints, patterns, and templates for your most common tasks.
This is where we get into some really powerful stuff. You'll learn about techniques like few-shot prompting, which is basically giving the AI a few examples to show it what you want, and chain of thought prompting, where you make the AI think out loud to get more logical, accurate answers. It's seriously cool and super effective.
And that brings us to the final leg of the journey, the path to true mastery. This is where we take everything we've learned and apply it to the real world, getting you certified along the way.
We're going to go even deeper here. You'll learn how to fix prompts that aren't working right, how to handle multilingual communication, and how to build real projects across different fields. All of this builds up to your final assessment and getting that official certification.
And this is so important. This isn't just theory. It is incredibly practical. The big final project is actually building your own personal prompt pack. It's a custom portfolio of amazing prompts that are tailor-made for your job, your industry, your goals.
Because that's really the secret sauce, isn't it? This skill isn't just for coders. It is a massive, massive advantage for anyone in marketing, business, education, basically any job where clear communication is key, which is, pretty much every job. So let's bring it all together. What does all this get you? It gives you your AI communication edge. This is the skill that's really going to define your future in the workplace.
Seriously, think of this course as your personal, hands-on prompt laboratory. It is all about learning by doing. You're going to be right there, side by side with real AI tools, experimenting, testing, and seeing the results of your work instantly. And that right there is the crucial mindset shift we're aiming for. You stop being just a passive user who asks a question and hopes for the best. Instead, you become an active architect who designs instructions. You are the one in control.
Ultimately, that's the whole journey. You go from simply asking questions to designing professional AI solutions. You'll be building reliable, powerful tools, all driven by the power of your own words. It's a huge transformation.
So, I'll leave you with this question. Once you master the language of AI, once you can communicate with this kind of precision and creativity, what will you build? What amazing problems are you going to solve? Because really, the possibilities are just getting started.